Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Scratch project in like a dance Scratch project. So right here we have Scratch dance project. I had to do this at school, but basically I'm pretty advanced. I did stuff better than all the people did. But I'm not trying to brag because I've experienced with Scratch before. So if you want me to make a tutorial on how to do a clicker game, tell me down in the description. So I'm gonna play my thing real quick. So as you can see, that might look super simple. Oh yeah, I can do that. Except, trust me, this ain't like simple. Well, honestly, it's kind of simple, but like it's not as you think as simple. For example, as you can see this text here, that's not very simple to use, cause like usually when you click on him, yeah, see this stays, but we don't want that to stay, cause like it looks weird once it's here to stay. Understand? So like how do we do that exactly? Well, I'll show you. So when character clicked, when this way clicked, dance and then broadcast number one. When I see number one, this is. But we want to swap this. Understand? So we want. Alright, I'm gonna teach you now. So we're gonna want to make a new block called dance. Once dance is created, now we want to make a command so he dances back and forth. So I'm using Dot in bedroom 3, I think, because Dot had like different costumes. So like it has a back costume, it has a forward costume, and it has like a dancing costume. But those are supposed to be walking. But it's still really cool. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So first, we're gonna want to define dance. So right here, define dance. So dance is gonna be, you're gonna want to find two spots on the screen that you want you guys to go. So I chose -7, -77, and -136 and -79. So like this one right here, that one's right here, and this one right here is where he's standing right now. Understand? Pretty simple. Once I do that, I'm gonna want to find the gliding block. Right here, glide to this. Now, wherever your character is right now, is what it's gonna put here. So that's why you want to find your stop position, and you want to put that thing right over here, like random in a random spot. Then you want to take your guy and move to the next spot that you want to go. So say the next spot I want to go is like right here. Then I'll just move my guy over here and then take out the glide block. Next, I'm gonna want to put my guy to dot D. The reason why is because that D is going back, and when I put this guy here, he's gonna be, when I put this guy to 3, no not 3, a -136, he's gonna start walking this way. And I wouldn't want this guy moonwalking, unless you want him to moonwalk, of course. But I wouldn't want my guy moonwalking. So all I would do is I would switch it to the way he's going back. And as I see, this is the way he's going back. So that's what I would switch it to. And once I got that, I'm gonna want to change this to whatever I want. So I put 3 because I think 3 is a nice moving. And then you're gonna want to put it back to dot A because that's this. And then he's gonna walk from here all the way over to here. And then I go to switch to costume dot B, and then wait 1 second, and dot C, then wait 1 second, and then dot A. So dot A is what he is right now, but let's go look at D and C. So this is D, and this is C. It's like he's like dancing, kind of, and this is a dance project. So like, yeah, that's basically what I did, and then I put all those into a repeat. So that means whatever I change his number to is how many times he's gonna do his dance instead of like doing that over and over. So once that is done, what you can do is you can go over to my blocks and take out the dance block. And you can put it under when the sprite clicked. So when I click him, he's gonna dance. But what was I gonna say? But what I was gonna say is basically when he wait. Yeah, that's it. But if you want him to like give instructions on how to dance, then this is what you're gonna need to do. First, you want to make sure that there's a thing automatically to say, click me to dance. So I did one green flag clicked, because that starts up the project. And when you start up the project, it'll say, click me to dance. Now, you're going to click them. And once you click them, this thing's going to stay. But, like, I already did all the codes, so, like, it's not going to stay. But without it, it is going to stay. And you don't want it to stay. That's the thing. You want it to disappear, so like they don't see click me to dance while he's already dancing. To fix that, you're gonna wanna use the broadcasting system. I don't really know why I have this. Don't really need it, but I do. I don't know why I have it, but so you're gonna want to take out your broadcast go to advanced, and you're gonna want to find when I receive message 1. So when I receive message 1, say blank for 1 second. Now you can put this to say click me to dance for 1 second, and then I'll say that for like 1 single second and then disappear. That's how to get rid of this block, and there will be nothing above him. But say you do that, say I don't have the num2, that's not gonna work out how I want it to work out. You wanna know how that's gonna work out? It's never gonna appear click me to dance again unless you click the green button. But you want it to be like once he's done dancing to have the click me to dance button appear again. So how do I fix that? You want to create actually alright, before we start getting into the num2 stuff, you're gonna wanna go and you're gonna want to create you're gonna wanna go over here and create broadcast message 1, and you wanna put that under when this sprite clicked and then dance. What this is gonna broadcast is when I click the sprite, this is gonna play. And then he's gonna dance. Understand? Makes sense. So now you're gonna wanna grab the when I receive block again, go here, and you wanna click new message and name it whatever you want. I just named it num2. So you wanna take this and you wanna put down when I receive num2, say click me to dance. So you just duplicate this block and put it here. So once he says this, we need a way so when he stops dancing, he repeats this message. And what other way to do that is to other broadcast num2 at the end of this repeat. And once that is done, this is all the code you're gonna need to do. It's actually really easy. And then you got a little dance and sprite, or you can do whatever you want. But that is how to make a dancing thing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.